Welcome to another school recording. Swamp. That's too much. Zain, I think that's good preparation for the other one we have.
Yeah, no, for sure. The other one looked bigger, or the other one appeared bigger and higher. Yeah, the other one is higher.
Got enough space here. We can tie up this piece here.
Yeah.
We just got to get it over there. Then we can cut this piece off on that side of the ladder.
Okay.
We can get rid of that, but we need to hang it up over there.
Over this one. Yeah. That piece there or this piece here? Through that gap.
Through that gap there. Yeah. That Y is there.
The Y-axis.
Okay.
Good job, guys. Pew 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 pew.
It's the main neck. But don't make him feel like don't blow smoke up his ass. No, that's what we keep. That's what we got the smoker for.
I used up all the smoke. Look at all that propolis.
Is the smoker up there though?
Yeah, these up there. Fantastico. Fantastico. Nada. Hey?
Obviously, that you can't use that.
Please. You can still clean it up. That's all propolis in. Come around and fish.
Some money.
We don't have any money.
No, honey.
Bob. Nee. Stop it with the shit in there.
But you can take me home. You can call me honey.
It's too soon to say, man.
That's alright. Let's give him a benefit of the doubt. Nothing here for us, son. Nothing here for us, son.
These, these one.
Father, can you see this, guys?
Got it?
Go, baby, go. Yeah.
There you go. Samahan niyo.
Hindi, samahan niyo. Ewan, samahan niyo.
Nagit yung bisan. Something like that.
That's a big booty. I think that's a queen mini.
That's just
And the plate.
You need to let them settle down.
yeah, there to stand straight.
Now put it on there.
But it's not
Okay.
done, so.
Just a little bit on the one.
Oh.
On this one, yeah.
You can put it on
You need it on this one.
on here, then it will just be up.
Like that.
You can push it more this way. Stable. Yeah.
We did a removal on Saturday.
Oh, shit.
Come on, beautiful babies. You want to put a cable or
A cable or? Now I'm going to put it in a second. You need a strap.
closing comments?
Closing doors. Alhamdulillah, it was a fantastic day. Yeah, we were told that it was a swarm. As you can see, or you'll see in the video, that it wasn't a swarm. And yeah, so we had to call in. So, I feel it's a job well done.
Queen's definitely in the box. There's no other clusters, or majority of the bees are on the outside, but we can't leave our box here because there's a safety
It's
issue.
a smoker, so now it's fun.
Smoker is
You can
smoking.
Like a dragon.
So then, are you training the dragon?
Smoke, call me smoke, man. What? Train the dragon. I'll chase the dragon. Chase the dragon.
Oh, beautiful sunset in Cape Town.
Yeah.
This is.
Like, subscribe,
See you on the next one.
and yeah, adios.